Assalamualaikum, my name is BESEK Syahirra Adlina binti SHAMMURI. I will present about Infographic Equities Trading Report. Executive Summary. Become familiar with how the trading business functions. Learn about the movement of stock when the economic downturn is on the way. Become familiar with the difference between a profitable company and unprofitable company, as well as their background and current issue. Learn to apply the indicator for each company. Grading on total profit. The model given out at the beginning of the trading season before the trading begins is 1 million per individual. During the final day of the trading game, my ultimate model is 988,961 ringgit and 50 cents, and I have completed 38 trades. Hypetech Venture Berhad is the enterprise that has provided me with a substantial return, in which case the stock price is only traded between 35 cents and 65 cents per share. Profitable trading. Hypetech Venture Berhad (HTVB) is Malaysia's most dynamic and well-known steel firm. It was founded in 1993 and is a publicly traded company on the Malaysian Stock Exchange. It is one of the top-tier Malaysian steel companies with a proven track record and revenue in excess of R1 billion. HTVB has more than 20 years of extensive steel industry experience through its successful wholly owned subsidiaries, providing steel product solution for steel application to a diverse customer base, both domestic and international, in multi-sector such as building construction, manufacturing, engineering, and oil and gas. The price movement of Hypetech stock is depicted in the chart. The maximum price was 67 cents, while the lowest price was 30 cents, according to the data. Hypetech Venture Berhad has posted a huge jump in its net profit to 65.93 million for its third quarter ended 13 April, from 4.92 million ringgit a year ago on the back of rising steel price. In a filing with Bursa Malaysia, Hypetech said its strong performance was also due to the sharp turnaround of its joint venture, which contributed 19.81 million ringgit to the group for the quarter as compared to 4.85 million ringgit in the same period a year ago. Unprofitable trading. Syahirra Innovator Berhad is a Malaysian and Bangladeshi telecommunication and information technology company. ATS transfer allow prepaid and postpaid mobile subscription to the transfer airtime credit to other prepaid subscription on the same telecommunication network via SMS, and ATS request allows prepaid mobile subscription with low or zero credit to request airtime credit from other prepaid or postpaid subscription on the same telecommunication network via SMS. Bursa Malaysia has listed Syahirra Innovator. The company is situated in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and was launched in 2013. The price movement of Syahirra stock is depicted in the chart. The maximum price was RM1.50, while the lowest price was 50 cents, according to the data. On May 20, Syahirra said it has fixed its placement price of a long delay 20% placement at a mere 28.6 cents per share. The price is said was determined with 5-day volume weighted average market price of Syahirra from May 11 to May 19. Interestingly, the share price chart shows that Syahirra share price began to spike up right after May 19. This means the new shareholder is sitting on a massive paper gain ordered from his new 12% holding. Technical analysis. Hypetech is a company that specializes in profitable trading. The strategies that I employ are as follows: trading line, the volume, the average moving rate, bid or ask price, price for the opening and closing of the business. Syahirra is a company that unprofitable trading. The strategies that I employ are as follows. Trading line, the volume, the average moving rate, bids or ask price, and price for the opening and closing of the business. The most workable strategy and the most not workable strategy. The bid and ask price technique is a viable option. It is straightforward to predict where the price will go based on this method. If the number of shares that people purchase at a higher price from their increases, we can determine which will increase in value and which will decrease in value. The strategy of volume is the most unworkable of all. By looking at the volume shown in the chart, it is possible that a large number of people are selling or buying stock at the same moment. When it comes to stock, on the other hand, we must be meticulous in our planning. When the price is low, people are more likely to purchase. Although some people may choose to wait a few days if they believe the price will drop even further. Others may choose to act immediately if they believe the price will increase. Conclusion and recommendation. While there was a coronavirus outbreak in Malaysia, the price of supplies in the country plummeted. As a result of the epidemic, all businesses have been severely hampered. Malaysia restated the control order in March in order to prevent people from leaving their homes. Malaysia, on the other hand, lost trillions of ringgit in single day during MCO, according to official figures. Naturally, this decision had an impact on the stock market stock price. Since the beginning of this year, however, virtually all inventory in Malaysia have been increasing in price as the epidemic has been decreasing. As a result, even if stock price continue to flatten, investors must maintain vigilance. It is imperative that investors purchase equities while the price is still low, as the epidemic in Malaysia could worsen the following day. Any signs can be used by investors to determine when to buy or sell securities.